So today I'm here to teach you how to make some baked goods. These baked goods are a little bit different to the ones that you might find at your local bakery. These are all gluten-free except for the oat cookies, and they all are high in protein, plus they're a lot lower calorie than some of the other treats you might find in a bakery. None of them have any added sugar either. So over here we've got an almond and carrot cake. We've got some banana oat cookies, and the banana oat cookies, you can get the full recipe on our website, but they're made from oats, some protein powder, some almond meal, fresh banana, sultanas, coconut oil, and a mixture here of some cinnamon, almond milk, and vanilla essence. We've also got the recipe for our chocolate brownies. They're actually made of chickpeas. They're delicious and nutritious. Some lemon and ricotta gluten-free muffins here, and some little pumpkin scones. Enjoy some of our high protein, low carb baked goods, and check out our recipes at bfitfood.com.au.